as I mentioned earlier, you might have some discrepancies in the length. So before we start doing any hemming work on the bottom, we might just trim that off a little bit. So make sure it's completely flat all the way. Get a ruler out and make a straight line across. So I think I'm going to use that. And it'd probably be easier to use a grid ruler to make sure you're not doing it at an angle, right? Okay, and then I'm going to trim that off so I have a very nice straight even edge. Then I'll show you what to do next. Oops, didn't quite catch that maybe. There we go. There we go. Okay, next we're going to get ready for the blind hem. And so it is, first you need to fold 1/2 inch, and then you need to do a whole inch to get ready for the blind hem. So go ahead and iron and fold 1/2 inch first all the way around, then iron and fold and iron 1 inch all the way around. And then after that, you should know how to do a blind hem by machine or by hand in the samples videos, and then you will perform that on the skirt, and then I'll show you what it should look like when it's done. Okay, there's my 1/2 inch fold that I just ironed. Now one more time, this time 1 inch. Okay, and then I just did the second fold, 1 inch, right? I ironed it, and now it's time to do the blind hem. And here's what it should look like once you're done with the bottom, right? You can see that blind hem stitch, and you shouldn't see any sort of, you might see a little bit of a line, and you can iron this out, but otherwise it should be just basically invisible, right? And that is it for the skirt.